Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an avocado drawing. Let's begin by sketching the basic form. First, draw a gentle oval for the main body of your avocado. Think of it as a slightly elongated egg shape. Next, add a small, rounded triangle at the very top to represent the stem. Finally, lightly sketch a central, slightly irregular circle where the pit will eventually be. This initial framework is crucial for a well-proportioned drawing. Now let's refine those initial lines. Gently adjust the outer edges of your avocado, making them a bit more organic and less perfectly symmetrical. Avocados have unique curves, so embrace those slight imperfections. Next, focus on the pit. Draw it as a distinct, slightly uneven circle within your initial guideline. To give the pit some dimension, add a small, curved highlight near its top edge. This simple detail makes a big difference. It's time to bring your avocado to life with texture and shading. Begin by sketching a rough, bumpy texture across the avocado's skin. Don't make it too uniform. Natural variations look best. Next, use light shading around the pit to create depth, making it appear recessed within the fruit. Finally, add subtle shadows along the avocado's bottom edge and where it meets the stem. This helps give your drawing a three-dimensional quality and makes it pop off the page. For the final touches, carefully darken the key outlines of your avocado and its pit. This helps define the shapes and makes your drawing stand out. Now, gently blend your shading using a blending stump or even your finger to create a smooth, realistic finish. Ensure the transitions from light to dark are gradual. Remember, practice makes perfect. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your creative space tidy with voice control and self-emptying features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.